What an awesome community the God Family and Guns community is. From the very beginning, we created this channel to be a community, a light in a very dark world. We do this by taking prayer requests, by creating content that is engaging, and more specifically, content that is interesting to you. So how can you help and make this content more creative and engaging? Following this. First of all, it's been a pleasure creating content for this channel, because in the end, we create content for you. And some of the best videos that we've ever produced came from ideas specifically from you. So every now and then, we like to put out a video to kind of call out what is it you would like to see more of or less of. Would you like to see more gun content or gun reviews, more top 10 lists, more top 10 things you didn't know, which are very historical and fun videos to produce and watch? Or would you like to see more spiritual content? We truly try our best to create a balance between gun content and spiritual content. Would you like to see more of one or the other, or do you think it's a great balance? So I'm asking that you put in the comments below what it is you would like to see. If there is a specific gun that you'd like to see a review of, or certain ammo you'd like to see a review of. Would you like to see more content on concealed carry or self-defense weapons or hunting rifles? What is it you would like to see more of? Or if you have an idea that I haven't thought of, because man, it's pretty hard to come up with ideas week after week. And again, most of the greatest ideas that we've had here at God Family Guns have come specifically from you all, the viewers. So every now and then we like to put out a video. So comment below, what is it you would like to see more of? I would like to say that we definitely appreciate your support here on God Family and Guns. We believe that this community here at God Family and Guns is the best community out there, because what we stand for and what you stand for, the viewers, because if you're watching this, you clearly have similar views that I do, is we stand for what is good and what is right and what is godly. And that's why this channel is important, and that's why the content is important, and that's why it's important that we get the content specifically from you. So please put that in the comments below, what it is you'd like to see more of. Because, you know, the internet's a very dark world, and we try to be a light in a very dark world, and you guys are a huge part of that, because what we represent from God, what is good, what is right, is the things that, again, that you're interested in as well. So there just needs to be more of that on the internet. So put your comments below. Love to hear from you. If you like this video, click like and subscribe. If you feel called to support our channel on Patreon, that link is also below. But the most important part of this channel is we take prayer requests. Never hesitate to send that in. Thank you for watching this episode of God Family and Guns. And as always, love God, love your family, and love guns.